Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff and I'm going to uncover the Miata. It's been a long time since we took the cover off this baby, and I know we put out in a previous video, if anybody wants it, you know, come and get it, or talk to Terry basically on a DM to you know, get the car, because I'll give it to him, whoever wants it. So it's been a long time and I don't know what we're going to find. There may be cats in it, there may be mice in it, and I don't know where the keys are. So Johnny, stay back, buddy. So again, it's been covered up since day one. The only time I did uncover it was for a video, and I think where Jesse smashes a Xbox or a PlayStation through the front window. So God only knows what's going to happen here. As you can see, the damage to the windshield. Oh, thank God the keys are in it.
Yeah, that's really bad.
So the basic structure problem with this car is going to be having that fixed, which you can buy the replacement piece, which gets anchored in right by the fender.
You got this light out here.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, Johnny. Let me pull, John. So, other than that, I think the passenger window was busted out to save Jesse and Lance. You alright?
Yo, dude, get us out. Get us out here, bro.
Jesse, watch out! Breaking glass, dude!
What?
Watch out! Cover your face! Get out, Jeff! Lance, cover your face!
No.
Lance, just cover your face, dude!
Bro.
I put the roll bar in, but as you can see, the interior is not wet or damaged. It's got glass all over it from the windshield bust, but everything is whole. There's no rips in the seats. And let me see if I can pop the old hood on this baby. The two front tires.
What's that piece down there?
What's that, honey?
And over there, it looks like they're pieces of the car.
Wait a minute. Yeah, that was the
Oh, the side mirror.
passenger mirror, which was here, and the rear view mirror, which was there. So they're there.
Oh, okay. So
But the convertible top is still good. There's nothing wrong with the convertible top.
but all this is coming off.
Yeah, but that's just popping where the back top was. So, and again, the motor ran. I parked it here, so I know the car ran.
Well, wait a minute. How did the front windshield? Did you say? I'm sorry. How did the front windshield get like that?
The front window was busted out, I think by Jesse throwing an Xbox through it or a PlayStation. I can't remember. That's real funny. I just had that replaced when your whole buddy Lance ruined it for me. So I just had
Well,
to
you're gonna have to replace it again, Dad. Oh my God.
But
He did that with just one, or was part of this, but like two things, like the Lance.
No, I think he threw it through and then he jumped on that. I don't know, some stupid thing. But
See,
other than that,
here's the
structurally,
side
the
mirror
car is
that's
still
gone.
good.
And the dents here,
Frig is
and all. What is? How many tires are flat? 3.
two.
Two are flat.
Two of them. And this is the 1.6 liter Mazda engine, which you can see, it's clean as a whistle. There's nothing wrong with it. And I will get that running for whoever wants it. And
Well, we have somebody who has spoke up. So.
oh, we do?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And he said he'll come and get it. He just wanted some pictures, so
Gotcha.
since we're doing this, I'll just tell him to watch it.
Right. That's probably the best. Oh, there's a big hornet's nest.
Well, all right, I'm not coming back there if there's a hornet's nest. Okay, that's. Are you all right?
Yeah, yeah. Look.
Is there any in there?
Yeah, there was like 20 or 30 of them. Here's the nest. They're all laying. They're still crawling around down here. Look, come here. Hurry up.
No, I'm not coming
They're not
over
gonna
there.
see
I'm
they're
getting
dormant.
stung.
Well, here, give me the stick.
Are they dazed?
Yeah, they're dazed. See it?
Where? Oh God,
Look
Jeff.
at them all here. Don't want them to sting your ass, hon. Everything's intact here. Ooh, there's more. Look at them all. They're all climbing down inside.
All
there.
right, well, maybe you need to
I'll
spray
kill
it
'em
or
all.
something.
And right before this was you, see them looking, climbing up here, look.
Yeah,
They're up here too.
they're big.
I know they're big. They only got a big stinger on them. But there's a Napa Legend battery which was new right before. Now I got all those skis and stuff. Yeah, there was a new Legend battery in here. So what I'm gonna do, I brought out the battery charger. It looks like it's gonna rain today, but I'll get it charged up. I'll fire it up, make sure it runs, and then
whoever gets it has to bring a flatbed or a trailer or something because
Yeah, they're not driving it out, but
how can you even get it on if the tires are flat?
I drove it off the flatbed when we parked it here.
With flat tires?
No, I'll fix them. I'll just
Okay.
plug them because I know what the problem is. There's a screw right there in that one. I'll
Okay.
plug that one, and I think there was. This one was up. Those two back ones are still up, and this one was up. It just needs air because these
Okay.
tires were like brand new when we did the accident was done.
Okay.
So, in my opinion, this is strictly my opinion. For free, this isn't a bad deal. And
It's just going to take a lot of work, I think,
Yeah.
you know, and time and money.
right. Yeah, it was.
But
this window.
it could be somebody's, you know, really long project.
Right, and this used to be, originally this car was white, and this was a Florida car. Then it was brought up to Salem County, and that's where I bought it. And then when I bought it, it was a burgundy color. So then I had it painted DOT orange because, you know, I like orange. And okay, it's going to need a passenger window, and I thought that wasn't broke. Here's the antenna.
So there's no passenger window.
No. And I had that replaced, I think, in another video where Jesse smashed it in the garage as like a joke or something.
Really?
Yeah, so I had the window guy come out, so these things are still available. The tag's still here.
Okay.
And I may throw in the hardtop. I may. I don't know yet. Because I can sell that on,
what do you need the hard top for?
because I can sell that for at least $500 on eBay or. Oh, and it has a the other cover. It's called not a tonneau, but it's almost like the French racing one where there's a whole leather cover that goes inside the car, and it has all the snaps built into it. So if you're riding it with the top down, there's a spot where it unzips just where you sit, so that water and moisture doesn't get in there if your top was down during a rainstorm. I have that.
Okay.
That's brand new in the box too.
So do you know, you probably don't remember, does it even have gas in it that you could
Yeah, I
start?
thought it had. It was like a half a tank. No, we did drain it down prior to the car.
Yeah, so you might have to put a little something in there and
Right,
try
right.
to start it.
But again, I'll get it all running. Everything comes with it, you see. I also have the original radio that goes in it. This was an aftermarket Mazda CD player in it, and I have the original radio. So all the parts are here. And these were the original Daisy rims. I ended up getting them from a guy in Franklinville to put on it. They're Mazda Daisies. I don't know why they call them Daisies, but. So this is what you got. I mean, it's actually a rare car only because it was the first one to come in 1990 to the United States, which is a 1990. It also is an automatic car.
This car is 1990.
This is a 19 Mazda, Miata. I think they called them the MX-5. But it's an air conditioner car and it has an automatic. So, and it has a security system in it. I've never figured it out also. Why you would have a security system in that, I have no idea.
Some pictures of the.
But when it was parked, everything worked in it. Signals, windshield wipers, everything worked on it. I think it has like 103,000 miles, maybe. It has 115,000 miles on it. So, it is what it is. I think it's a good deal for free.
Okay.
I think that explained everything, but structurally everything's there. Look at this whole side's good. This side probably need either knock that dent out or a new fender, which you could find on the internet. All right? If this helps or hurts, I don't know. But either way,
Well, yeah, sure, it's gonna help.
yeah. But either way, it's gone. So if nobody wants it, it's going to the junkyard. So I think it'll make a good car for somebody to start out and play around with, you know, work some magic on it. But so, okay. All right, everybody. I hope everybody has a great day and a good life. It looks like it's going to pour any minute here, so I'll get this covered back up once I get the battery charger on. Take care.